This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents. We're looking at problem 9, which says you made a sale of $130,000. You received a commission of $2,500. What percent commission did you receive? Round to the nearest percent. So the question is, what percent commission? So this is a percent problem, and you can use the handout with the formulas on it for percentage problems. And we're using the percent formula, which is the part divided by the total times 100. Now, the part in this problem is the 2,500, and we want to find out what percent that is of the total, which is the 130,000. So we're going to take the part 2,500 divided by the total 130,000, the total amount of the sale, and you're going to get this decimal number on your calculator. And this is a decimal number, so we have to also multiply by 100 to change it to a percent, 1.92%, but we're asked to round it to the nearest percent, which means the nearest whole number. We're going to round it at the ones place. And we're looking at this 1 right here, and then we look at the number to the right. It's a 9. It's 5 or greater, which means that the 1 is going to go up to a 2, and rounded, the commission is 2%.